Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix no sound issues on a MacBook. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your MacBook and scroll down to the Sound section. Once you're there, click on the Output tab and make sure your correct speakers are selected. If you're using the built-in MacBook speakers, choose the Internal Speakers option. If you have external speakers or headphones connected, make sure those are selected instead. Next, check that the mute option is turned off and make sure the volume slider is turned up properly. After applying these settings, close the sound window and test the audio again. If the sound is still not working, search for Terminal through Spotlight. Once Terminal opens, type the following command: sudo kill all core audio D, and then press Enter. This will restart the core audio process on your MacBook. Another method is to open Activity Monitor from Spotlight and search for Core Audio D inside the CPU section. Once found, double-click the process and press Quit or Force Quit. After closing the process, restart your MacBook and the sound issue should now be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix no sound issues on a MacBook. That's it for this video. Thanks.